Alrighty guys, well it is done. This has been a fun project. This little Cub 147 that Dad had acquired. Not sure if you guys remember that video. I did a video, I do remember that. I just don't remember what I titled it. Nice, clean little tractor. He got it when, actually it was given to him when my aunt and uncle moved to Florida this past spring. Or, yeah, spring of 2018. Or no, fall of 2018. They gave it to him. It did not need any body work. Did you hear that? It did not need any body work. Shut that stupid thing off. It's interrupting my video, but that's beside the point. It did not need any body work when we got the tractor. It is just as straight now as it was back then when he bought it, or when it was given to him. There are no dents, no dings in tractor. The only thing we had to replace was his front nose piece. It was pushed in, and the grill was pushed in. And the front end was bent just a wee little bit, but that was able to be straightened out. Nothing else in the tractor was hurt or anything. But yeah, really fun project. It does have the starter generator. Even that little IH decal right there. Yeah. It is a Cub 147, and right back there is the mower deck. It is belt driven, like all decks, but it's belt driven up here. Right there, my fingers is the pulley. Yeah. So that's belt driven there. Right there. I don't know how well you can see, but I can see it. I started a generator. I don't know what more to say about the tractor. I don't know what he's gonna do, put the deck on it or not. I was able to help some with this tractor and I enjoyed it very, very much. If you guys are interested in more videos, please give me a thumbs up, leave your suggestions down below, and go check out the Facebook page, Northeast Ohio Farmer. Thanks for watching.